have 6 kids, so I'm gonna show you how I do my face real quick in like about 5 minutes or less.
Hey sis, do I look alright?
Yeah, girl, you look beautiful.
I do, huh?
You know he made you beautiful, right?
I do.
Now let's go out there and show the world what we need.
Come on, sis. Let's do this.
Let's go. It's 7 o'clock and you're running late. Your hair is a mess, no makeup on. Nothing to wear, making clothes in your closet. Cause now it's on the outside, but the inside that matters.
Girl, don't stress. Let your love be the light. You're a fireball. You shine so bright.
The stars on TV, you wanna be like them. So you go to the mall and buy the latest trend. You're doing your best to try to fit in, but lately it seems like you just can't win. Girls, keep your head up. You were meant to be special. He made you beautiful. There's no one else in the world that's quite like you. He made you beautiful. There's no one else in the world that can do the things you do. You're a star, he made you to shine. You're one of a kind. He made you beautiful. He made you beautiful. Nothing in this world can take his love away from you. No matter what you do, no. And no form of makeup can make you look better. Your worth is not in your size. You're perfect, I tell you. And forget all those didn't appreciate you. They aren't worth your thoughts or the time that you gave them. Life was meant to be lived full and free. So kick off your shoes.
Be who you meant to be. With Jesus, you're free.
He made you beautiful. There's no one else in the world that's quite like you. He made you beautiful. There's no one else in the world that can do the things you do. You're a star, he made you to shine. You're one of a kind. He made you beautiful. He made you beautiful. If God is for you, who can be